Software Spring. Presents. Which function calculates future value, and what is the CAGR for varying interest rates in Google Sheets? Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the function, which calculates a principal amount future value, FV, for varying interest rates over a time frame. We will also calculate the CAGR. Okay, the function, which calculates the future value for varying interest rates, is FVSCHEDULE. To calculate the CAGR, we will use the power function. Before we continue, I request you to please subscribe to this channel, if you have not already done so. Thank you very much. Alright, let's take a look at syntax of the FVSCHEDULE function formula. Here is an example. Principal is the amount for which to calculate the future value. Rate schedule is the series of interest rates, expressed as decimal or percent, over a time frame. The FVSCHEDULE function formula to calculate the future value of this principal and this rate schedule is. Going forward, let me type the FVSCHEDULE function formula. There you go. The FVSCHEDULE function formula has returned the future value. Alright, now, let's calculate the CAGR, or the compound annual growth rate, of the principal. The CAGR formula is. The power function can be used to calculate the CAGR. The power function formula to calculate the CAGR is. The power function formula with the values is. Let me type the formula. I will format the CAGR in percent. Okay, here is the CAGR. Summary. FVSCHEDULE returns the future value of a principal, taking into account changing interest rates over a time period. The FVSCHEDULE function formula is. Power function can be used to calculate the CAGR of the principal. The power function formula to calculate CAGR is. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.